Let's see. Alright guys, today I'm going to be checking out Fiberfix Repair wrap. I got the 2-inch by 50-inch roll. I figured that would be perfect for this. I have this old brass mallet that I've been using a lot lately. I picked this up after my grandpa passed away. They were over there throwing out all his tools, and I saw this, and there was no way I was letting this go. This was fixing to go to the curb, but the handle has a big splint in it. Right here, there's also one that's starting down here, and it opens up quite a lot when you flex it. So I figured this was the perfect opportunity to try the Fiberfix, so I can keep the handle, but also make it strong again without snapping. I used this when I was working on the golf cart project. Let's open up the box, see what we get. We have the Fiberfix itself. That's the repair wrap. We also have some instructions and some gloves, which is handy because this stuff is nasty. You do not want to use this without using the gloves. Always read your instructions as well. I've tried this stuff before, and it was not the easiest experience if you don't read the instructions. It says, Step 1, prepare the surface by cleaning the area around the break. Sand glossy or smooth surfaces if repairing a pipe or hose. So anyway, we need to clean the surface and rough it up so it'll stick. Step 2, put on your gloves. Fiberfix must be used within 3 to 5 minutes, or it cannot be saved. Open Fiberfix pouch, this is step 3, and submerge in room temperature water for 5 seconds. I guess you have to squeeze it to make sure you get water in there. Alright, so basically you wet it, you unroll it, you wrap it tightly around the object. Easy stuff. It comes with a square of sandpaper. So I'm going to go ahead and start roughing up the area I intend to wrap. Also trying to get rid of this old tape that my grandpa had on here. At least as much of it as I can. That's reasonably rough, I guess. It also comes with a vinyl strip that you're supposed to wrap around the object to help with the curing process, or at least get it to cure tightly. So let's go ahead and get our gloves on. I don't know yet whether or not this stuff is going to have a smell, because the only time I've ever used this I was outside, and we did not use it properly because we did not use the instructions. A buddy of mine had bought it and we were trying to fix a chair with it, and he soaked it for way too long. It was rock hard by the time he took it out. So looks like we have a perforated line. Seems to tear really easily. Don't need scissors, that's good. They said this will start to cure as soon as it reaches the air, but moisture is required to set up the resin. So we will take our bucket of water, stick it down in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wring out some water. Start opening the repair wrap. They recommend that you pull it as tightly as you can. Obviously you have to get 1 revolution around the object before you can really start pulling on it. And if I'm quick enough, I can do 2 tools with this same roll. So I'm going to overlap myself here. If I have to get a second roll, that's really not that big a deal, but I'm going to grab some scissors right quick. It does seem to cut fairly easily. They recommend putting some force on it, get it laying down. In the meantime, I have another tool that is in desperate need of the same treatment. So I am going to wrap this one. I used this one to take down a fireworks stand that somebody drove through. Luckily, nobody was inside it. It was the day after they had closed it up, so I'm guessing on the 5th of July, somebody fell asleep at the wheel and drove through it. And I'm glad I wasn't working that day. I'm glad that the kid that drove through it did not lose his life, because it looked like he could have easily lost his head. Looks like we have a plastic cob in the middle. So far it doesn't have a smell, so this will work. Since I didn't have nearly as much of the Fiberfix on this one, I will wrap the vinyl around this one, because I can't wrap both. Alright, now I'm supposed to wait 5 minutes for this to cure, and we'll see what we got. Since we require pressure to help get everything tight here, I'm going to use a little bit of masking tape and pull it real tight. Trying to keep all that resin in the tape. It's not really tape. It's more like a casting material that uses fiberglass. So that gets that nice and strong. Now we wait. Alright guys, it's been about 1 minute, and this is actually pretty warm to the touch. I'm guessing the chemical reaction has taken effect. I've actually gone ahead and wrapped this one with some masking tape as well. Wow, that one is really warm. And it's sticky, so yeah, don't touch that. Alright, we'll just let it do its thing and see how strong it really is. Alright, I've waited about 10 minutes. We'll see if that was long enough. Seems to be fairly well hardened. Let's take the one off that has the vinyl wrap. Dang. That's very hard. Oh my gosh. I can't peel that up. That is impressive. That is very nice. It's got a nice grip to it too. Putting that wrap on there actually made it pretty smooth. I guess all the resin came to the surface and smoothed it. No flex, no nothing. Alright. I like that. Now let's see if this one did the same. Now if they could start giving you 2 vinyl wraps per package, just in case you're fixing small tools, that'd be pretty neat. That is quite sticky tape. It's actually starting to stick to the tape. Cool, there we go. Might have a little bit of trimming to do up here. Overall, first impression. Man, that doesn't twist at all now. Before you could actually feel it as it opened up. That is fixed. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh wow. Alright, what if you get a tool under here? You actually can't. it has bonded as one. That is incredible. I mean, that is seriously hard. Alright. This was about $7 at Home Depot. If you have a tool that's splitting, pick up some Fiberfix. That is very impressive. So, that is my product review of the day. Check this stuff out. Thanks for watching.